Hi, this is Michael from ProfitSportsBetting.com. Some of you sent an email that Michael, if you can also share over 1.5 strategy which you are using for DFS bot. So I'll share the strategy settings in this video as we move forward. First of all, thanks for the good support on DFS launch we had yesterday, and those of you who have already joined our bot, they can actually use this over 1.5 strategy which I'm gonna show you in the video now. So let me take you to our VPS, and as you can see, this is our VPS, and I'm using back one for over 1.5 strategy. I have been using over 1.5 strategy for quite some time, but that strategy has not worked well. That's why I tweaked that strategy and started using it for last week, and the strategy has been working pretty well. Too early to say, but since some of you called out that you want to know about over 1.5 settings, that is the reason I am doing this video. I will keep monitoring the strategy for weeks, and let's see how it goes from here. So let me show you the strategy now. So in the back one, I'm using over 1.5 strategy. As you can see, market to bet is over 1.5. Selection is over 1.5 in the market. And minimum price is 1.2. I'm not getting below 1.2, and maximum is 2.0. So we are covered. Time to bet 1 minute before the off. Since I have an Australian account, I'm using currency in like 5,000 Australian dollar as a minimum amount matched for match out market, and for over under 1.5 market it is 2,000 dollars Australian dollars which I'm using. So if your account is in Italian, Romanian, or a UK account, then accordingly change these dollar figures as per your currency. Now, from a home price range, I'm looking at between 1.0 and 1.8. So I'm looking for a very strong favorite. And then away, I'm good between 1 to 20, and a draw, I'm good 1 to 20. And stop at a profit, I'm using only 10p because my aim is to find better strategies for you guys so that you can use it. And the continue button is marked, and I'm having a stop loss of 10. Continue with restart is ticked, and that's all I'm using on the price side. Now if I go to the stats, I'm actually on the stats now. In the stats, I'm actually using home and away, only these two tabs. And what I'm using in home is I'm actually looking for the home team where they have played at least 5 games in their leagues, right? And where they have actually made, or where the 50% of the matches by the home team at the home ground, they have like crossed more than 3 goals overall. So I'm looking for those matches. I'm repeating it again. So I'm looking for matches where the home team have played at least 5 home games in their respective leagues, right? Second is I'm looking for matches where the home team has crossed, home team and away team crossed 50% of the matches overall, having more than 3 goals. Okay, and same thing I'm using for away as well. 5 games minimum for the league, over 2.5, greater than 50%. Now one thing I want to clarify is, let's say if you have a non-league game, if you have a cup game, or if you have a friendly, or if you have any other game which is outside the league performance. So what we have designed our bot is that we will always look at league performance. If the team is basically playing in a non-league environment. So very important point to note, because non-league environment we don't have too much of data, but we always take data from the league and judge their performance in the non-league games also, which is basically a very good indicator that how the teams are progressing. So this is a strategy which I'm using uh, for over 1.5 market. And if I go to current bets, there is no back one right now, so there's no over 1.5 current bet which is on. Let me show you. Yeah, let me show you the results so far. As I told you, initial over 1.5 strategy was not working, so I changed the strategy only on 18th of this month. And since 18th, I have these bets. As you can see, 17 bets overall. Out of 17 bets, I have three which is losing bet. So like 14 by 17. So 82% strike rate is a pretty decent strike rate, and average odd which I have got is 1.32. So average odd is 1.32, and win strike rate is yeah, 82%. It's a pretty good strategy so far, and yeah, I think it's too early to say. Definitely, I can say that it's too early to say, but I'm very hopeful and that this strategy should do very well. So this is just one strategy, and the other strategy which I showed you in the other video yesterday is like 180 points on lay one and lay two 200 points. So those strategies have been doing pretty good, and we've already explained them in our manual already. So I'll put over 1.5 strategy as well in our manual, probably after a week. Let's see how it goes for a week, and we go from there. So thanks a lot for your overall support. A lot of you already joined DFS bot, and if you're still thinking about the bot, I think do join the bot because we still have licenses left. Because once the early bird offer is gone, the prices will definitely increase. And thanks again, and have a good day. Bye bye.